Live again, live again. You know what I'm saying? At the moment I'm at Jamaica Colors. I was here last year. I did make a video about Jamaica Colors. It was in development. It wasn't hot, as we would say it, you know. But now it's not 100% finished. Yeah, they're still doing some construction and all that kind of stuff. I'm just gonna give you a small tour of the bar. The bar at the pool side is actually finished, yeah. So I'm gonna give a little small tour of Jamaica Colors. So yeah, you know, you know. I think it's gonna be I think another bar is gonna be here, and some area you could have functions and all that. You know, functions like maybe weddings, parties, you name it. Yeah. So let's go down. You know, I love it here. You know, all the palms, all the crotons, as the Jamaicans we call them croton. I don't know the other name, the English name, the correct name. Yeah, that's the palm seed. Guys, everywhere is flowers, beauty. This is what I like with Jamaica Colors. It's really colorful, yeah. Beauty, guys, beauty. Let's see what's here. Ah, okay, it's just another chill spot. Just another chill spot. Look at that. Very unique. This is a ackee tree. At the moment, no ackees on it. Yeah. Ah, yes, and one of my favorite flower here. This is called the puss tail, the cat tail. You know. Look at this. Very soft, very nice, and it has somewhat of a very nice smell. I love this. So that's the puss tail, guys. Yeah. Yeah. This is a very common one, the hibiscus. You have the hibiscus drink, the hibiscus cologne, you know. It has a lot of purpose. It's actually a multi-purpose plant and also very beautiful. This is a different kind of hibiscus, yeah, and has all the same purpose. Mm. This is the Joseph coat, this one, that you would use when you have a cold, to get rid of a cold, you know. Fence bush.
Maybe just make it in the pool.
Yeah.
Hello, hello.
You know, suppose in my other pocket. Hold on. Wait a man. Suppose in my next pocket, yes, sir. Ah, see it here. Where I go for?
Maybe it's make it in the pool.
It in the chunk. Just open the chunk part and take it out. What do you mean I pull now? What? The girls love my son, you know. Ah. Mm. And here we have cottages. Yeah. You can come and rent, stay for the night. It's awesome. This is the bellflower. This is also a very unique one. This has the color of our I don't know, like the Rasta thing, you know what I mean? Red, gold, and green. This is it. Rasta business. Got that. Real Caribbean style. Um, the guy that was just making a video about this little plant. This is called a nuni. Yeah? Or people would call it a duppy sauce also. Has a lot of health benefits. You make juice, syrups, herbs from this. The smell is actually not the best. It smell a bit messed up. But it has a lot of health benefits. Got you. Got you. So the era still in renovation, so everybody painting and getting things in order at the moment. So a different kind, but this one is not so schön. Here is bisschen besser. You know. So this is what I like about Jamaica Colors. It's like in tune with nature. This one is the banana flower. Yeah, and this is right in front of the cottage. Yeah. How much a night, Momo? I have no idea. I have no idea, Momo. I'm gonna have to ask. Do some research on that. Yo, Momo, I don't know how much a night. Continue down the side. It's another very nice cottage right here, Very nice and very clean. So it doesn't matter what the price is, it's worth the price. This one. No, Jay that talk so much a night. Of course, what go on? Me I read wrong, man. Ah, this is for the hummingbirds, you'd put like, I'm not sure if it's sugar and water or glucose, but I saw this a few times in the Blue Mountain, and there was a lot of bird, because it kind of saved them some work, some energy. Definitely when I get my own place, I need something like this. Yeah, man. You're coming to Hector's River? Yeah, man. Actually, no, me I go Manchineel, go pick up my little daughter and stuff right now at the moment. Another room, One Love. And One Love 4, I guess that's the name of the villa. Very nice, bro. I love it here. I really love it here. So let's go closer to the water side. Sure. Only in Jamaica, man. Let's go up that side. So, guys, I was here last year, As I said, I did a video. The development wasn't complete. It's still not completed at the moment. See the banana flower. It's open. Yes, cause you need to try book a night and the next visit. And I think, not think, I'm gonna definitely do the same. Hold on. This last year, this wasn't, no, I said this new. Let me go up top. Let me go up top and see what going on up at top. What? What? Nice settings. Like the dining area and a chandelier and all these things. What? I love the development. Ah, that's the new tree house. I'm going right there, so now. I remember when Jamaica Colors was just like 2 or 3 cottages and a pool and a bar. And now, really nice. Big and nice. And trust me, guys, if you don't want to sleep, don't come right here. Just the breeze. You can feel the breeze. Very cool and nice. You'll be sleeping in no time, man. It's a little chair at the cliff side, yeah? The swing. Yeah, it did. See there? Wow, the breeze. Mm. Fresh air, guys. But Jay, that, well, you know, you can see it from the phone. It's kind of a little bit too far. But down there says Ardnarek. That's where the ship sank maybe like 100 and something years ago. There was a ship wreckage there. I was there like maybe 1 or 2 days ago. I made some video. Yeah. But I couldn't go live. I tried to go live. I mean, on the surface, it was good. But underneath, it's a definite no-no. So I'm going to have to edit that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But the Ardnarek wreckage is right there. I can see it perfectly from where I'm, but the phone camera and all that, it's a definite no-no. If you see that white line, that's waves. It's right in that area. Yeah? Pretty far out, but it's actually not deep at all. Maybe like 10 feet or maybe less. Yeah? So guys, this is what I'm drinking. Right stride. Not the best, not the worst, yeah? Actually, my favorite is Dragon, or, you know, the German thing them. The best beer is the German beer. And I'm not going to argue with nobody about that. German has the best beer and you can't take that from them, yeah? But in Jamaica, I would prefer the Dragon. Maybe a Guinness. The beer is like I would say a third option. But yeah. Anyway, guys, that was it. It's better than last year. Still not complete. It's not completed as yet, but a whole lot better. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna order our next drink and I'm gonna sit and relax. Maybe see if I could sleep a bit. And I catch you guys later, yeah? Thanks for tuning in. Don't know. Big up. Boom.